In the middle of the night, above a silent, hostile landscape, a military aircraft carried out a mission that was supposed to save lives, but within minutes, that mission turned into a fight for survival. This story is inspired by real events. The Lockheed C-130 Hercules is one of the most reliable military aircraft ever built, designed to operate in extreme conditions.
Altitude 2500, terrain closing on the left.
Confirmed. Adjusting course 2 degrees right.
It can land on rough terrain, deliver troops, and execute high-risk rescue missions. On this night, it was sent into a dangerous airspace, carrying a specialized rescue team on a critical mission. The objective was simple in theory: extract personnel from a remote location before dawn.
The trajectory is holding steady.
Acknowledged. I'm cross-referencing the Delta V now.
The trajectory is shifting 5 degrees east.
Rerouting now. Confirming path correction on screen 3.
Warning. Unknown aircraft detected. Pull up. Pull up.
The crew knew the risks: flying low to avoid radar detection, navigating through mountains in near darkness. Every second demanded precision. Inside the aircraft, the atmosphere was tense. No one spoke. Every soldier understood this was not a routine operation. But then, something changed. On the radar, an unexpected signal appeared. At first, it was just a flicker. Then, a lock. Somewhere on the ground, a system had detected them, and within seconds, the situation escalated. A missile was launched, moving at incredible speed, cutting through the night sky, heading straight for the aircraft. Inside the cockpit, alarms screamed. The pilots reacted instantly, deploying countermeasures. Bright flares ignited behind the aircraft, giving them only seconds to survive. The first missile missed, barely. But the danger wasn't over. A second missile followed, more accurate, more aggressive. Then, impact. A violent explosion near the wing. The aircraft shook violently. Smoke began to trail behind them, and control was slipping away. One engine failed. Warning alarms filled the cockpit. The pilots fought to stabilize the aircraft, but the damage was severe. Altitude was dropping. Systems were failing, one by one. Inside the cargo bay, equipment shifted violently. The mission had changed. This was no longer a rescue operation. It was survival. The order was given: evacuate. The rear cargo door opened mid-air, wind rushing in with overwhelming force. One by one, the crew prepared to jump. No hesitation, no second chances. They leapt into the darkness below, trusting only their training and their parachutes. Moments later, the aircraft, now uncontrollable, descended toward the mountains. Then, a distant explosion lit up the horizon. The mission was over. As the sun rose, survivors descended silently from the sky. Behind them, smoke marked the end of the aircraft, but not the end of the story, because sometimes survival is the real mission.
Flaps are cycling.
Evacuate! Everyone get out now! Move! Move!
Green light means go, people. Strap in and move. We're 30 seconds out.